maneuver, because it has nothing to do with that. You can give something good to the community in another way, not in being a politician or being a council member or being a congress member or whatever. There is so many things that we have as individuals. So we are looking forward to see how we can actually bring this in together and help people and help the children, starting beginning with the children, to every community, so that everyone will be useful to himself. In that, we can reduce poverty, because if you have something to do, you can't talk about being a poor person. At least you have something to bring to the table. So that will discourage you from being a criminal. Of course, you have something to do, so you'll be thinking of what to do with your brain. Let me double up my effort so that I can achieve this. In that, you can take away all the idea of being prostitution and going to being armed robbery, to attack people, collect their money just to make money, to be able to eat. But if you have something like this, good ideas like this, I don't think you will have that kind of thought to go and do that. And then again, if you know the history of Nigeria, we have a problem with our Niger Delta, our oil region. That's the major problem of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So a lot of people